Good afternoon. Today on Customer States What? This is a job I inherited. Apparently I'm replacing a rear O2 sensor. Nope. Good afternoon. Today on Customer States What? Another job I inherited, guys. I'm doing a rear O2 sensor, and apparently FIFO is a present somewhere. The car is clean, but it ain't that clean. Let's see, we got any activity? Nope, no activity. Let's put that right back over there. It's looking like he might be in there, though. He's looking like they're probably in our usual suspect spots. Alright, guys. Let's take it up top and see how hard this O2 sensor really is. Giggity. So now that we took it up top, we're going to look around. Is nothing really special to see, ladies and gentlemen. It is just a Prius. But when we look a little further, we can see... Oh, look at what you let me know. There's your problem right there. It looks like FIFO started chewing the back O2 sensor wiring. And that's why the check engine light would come on and off randomly. Because, yeah, those wires are chewed in Gugats. So yeah, the inheritance is correct. Let's replace that sensor, this guy right there, clear the code, and give it a road test. A little spray, a little jism on it, you know. Hopefully that'll loosen up with no problem. We're gonna disconnect the connector over here and get the harness out. Let's see, can I do it one hand? One-handed? Oh, one-handed, guys. Oh, I still gotta take it off right there. Gotta get my panel puller. Let's see, let's get in there. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Alright, I believe it's a 22 millimeter, so let's get our wrench. So guys, if you do not have the O2 sensor socket or a special tool, you could use a 22 millimeter on this here O2 sensor, but we're going to show you how to use the special tool. Actually, well, one side is 12 point, one side is 6 point, depending on application. Has 3/8 drive. Alright, now just break it free. And then unscrew it out. Very good, we are out of there. Okay guys, something I just realized. This little clip right here that attaches to the end of the O2 sensor that directs the harness in a certain direction does not come on the new one. So you do have to transfer this over and install it onto the new one. Very good. Now when installing O2 sensors or AF sensors, 95% of the time they will already have some high temp NICs on the threads. If they do not, I highly recommend you just put a little dab on there. That way it'll aid the installation, and if or when that sensor needs replacement, it will be able to break free with no issues. Now that that's hand tight, we're going to use the same exact tool to tighten it. Do a little by hand, and then make sure your ratchet is set in the on position. And then just give it a little elbow. Give it a little torque elbow. You'll feel when it's tight enough because there's a little crush washer along in there as well. So now that's there. We got a brand new clip here, which is very good because I destroyed the old one. install that there, or let's get the harness and the clip here first. Then we'll snap the clip in. Come on. Very good. Now, before you connect this connector, inspect this connector for any corrosion or anything like that. And always, if you do find it, clean it out and install some dielectric grease. Very good. Let's connect that right now. Oh, that snap is a good noise. Now for the last part. We're gonna snap that onto the O. Well, we're not gonna snap it on the O2 first. We're gonna put it on the harness first. And then we're gonna snap it onto the O2 sensor. Come on. Very good. There we go. That's where it lives. Perfect. Alright, very good, guys. So that's how you remove and replace the rear O2 sensor in a Prius. So now we're going to clear the code and give it a road test and return the car to the customer. Very good. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.